Because after the Congress party, it's the Uddhav Sena that has come in saying that Rahul Gandhi is our choice for the Prime Minister. Listen in.
नाना पटोले ने कहा है कि पीएम फेस के लिए लोग जो है, कॉमन जनता जो है, वो राहुल गांधी का ही चेहरा देखना चाहती है।
कल राहुल गांधी जी
राहुल
गांधी जी बड़े नेता है। राहुल गांधी जी देश को लीड कर रहे हैं। इस बार कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए बहुत बड़ा कैंपेन किया राहुल जी ने। लोकप्रिय नेता है। राहुल जी की वजह से ही मोदी जी को तपस्या करनी पड़ी, ध्यान करना पड़ा। ये सब कुछ है। लेकिन हम जब चुनाव आ जाएंगे, परिणाम आ जाएंगे 4 तारीख को, तो 15 मिनट में प्रधानमंत्री कौन है वो चेहरा सामने आ जाएगा। लोग चाहते हैं कि राहुल गांधी ने देश का नेतृत्व करना चाहिए, हम भी ये चाहेंगे।
सर, अरविंद केजरीवाल यांच्या केसमध्ये दोन्ही पक्षाची बाजू ऐकून घेतल्यानंतर 5 जूनपर्यंत निकाल सांगितला.
My colleague Arunil Saradekar joining us on the broadcast. Arunil, the exit poll results, of course, show that it's going to be in favor of the NDA, but the opposition India bloc is quite confident, of course, that they're going to have the numbers, with Sanjay Raut saying that Rahul Gandhi is the Lokpriya Neta and we will be deciding on the Prime Minister within 15 minutes of the results being out.
Well, good morning to you, Pratibha. This push of Rahul Gandhi being the face of the India Alliance was first made by Mallikarjun Kharge. It was followed by Nana Patole, the Maharashtra Congress chief, and now the senior leader from Uddhav Thackeray's party, Sanjay Raut, also pushing for it. Basically, Sanjay Raut going to the extent of saying that it was only because of Rahul Gandhi that PM Modi had to meditate for 2 days. He is our Lokpriya Neta, popular leader, and even the people of this country want Rahul Gandhi as the PM of this nation. However, there is a pertinent question. There is a question that has been asked by the opposition as well. Manisha Kande from the CM Shinde Shiv Sena, which is from the NDA, basically asked that if you felt Rahul Gandhi was your PM face of the India Alliance, then why wasn't he portrayed before the elections? Why was the fear regarding Rahul Gandhi? Because twice the UPA had lost elections under Rahul Gandhi's leadership when he was portrayed as the PM face. Only after the elections are over, now the Congress is trying to take an opportunity, if they get the numbers, to push Rahul Gandhi as the PM face. In fact, in the meeting that was held, called in by Mallikarjun Kharge, wherein all the India Alliance partners were present, there also, but the India Alliance bloc has predicted that they will be getting numbers close to around 300. And they are basically showing that kind of a confidence amongst themselves, saying that they are going to get majority, whereas the NDA is going to fall flat.
Okay, all right. Stay with us.